Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.com, and today I'm doing another unboxing of Charlotte Tilbury. So let's get started. So I just got this in the mail, and it wasn't anything I ordered, which is awesome, because Charlotte likes to send her Magic Beauty Stars gifts from time to time for their hard work. And look at all the goodies that she sent me. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Let's see what I got here. She sent me Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And it looks like she sent me two of them. Wow, that's pretty nice. That was pretty generous. So she sent me two Airbrush, She sent me two Airbrush Flawless Setting Sprays. This is to set your foundation with, and it smells amazing too. It also helps your makeup not only last longer, but it helps to keep it from going in the creases if you have wrinkles. So this is a must-have for sure. You definitely want to grab this particular product. Let's see, what else did I get? What is this? I got Charlotte's Magic Cream. Oh, wow. So this is the Magic Face Cream, and this is the refill. So that's pretty awesome because she did send me a Magic Cream a few months ago, and I am starting to run out. So this came just in time. That is so cool. She sent me a refill. And let me see what else I got. Let's see. I got a PillowTalk Matte Revolution lipstick. Ooh, she sent me the PillowTalk Push-Up Lashes. I was interested in trying this. I have her other mascara, the Exagger Eyes, which I love. But hey, she just sent me a free mascara, so I'm going to give these a try and see which one I like better. And what is this, a lip liner or an eyeliner? She sent me a lip liner, PillowTalk Lip Cheat. Awesome. So, and I guess that's the shade, probably to match the lipstick that she sent me. So that's pretty awesome. Look at this. This is what she sent me. And I think that is cool when a company acknowledges their people's hard work for promoting their products, and they reward you by sending you a box of products. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to try some of these newbies, and some of the other ones that I already have, I'm actually running low on. So thank you, Charlotte, for keeping me in mind. I really appreciate it. Once again, I'm a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte, and if you're interested in becoming an affiliate with Charlotte Tilbury, I have the link in my bio, but I will also put it down below in my description. As well as I will list these products if anybody's interested in purchasing any of these products. I will list them below. If you click on my other link, my Magic Beauty Stars link, if it's your first time purchasing with Charlotte online, I'll give you my 15% discount code to use, and you can order all these amazing products and get it for 15% off. Isn't that cool? So, yeah, so it doesn't include bundles though. Bundles, any special pricing or sales or virtual consultations. But if you were to order each of these products just by themselves, you would get 15% off your order, which is pretty awesome. So anyway, I hope you like my video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my video. I really appreciate it when you do. And also reach out to me if you have any questions or need any help color matching or picking out products. But like I said, all my information will be down below, including how to become a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte. If you want to fill that paperwork out and get started with that, that would be awesome. So anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to try some of these newbies. Thanks. Bye.